2, 3, funky.
Oh my goodness, why this call focus me? Hey, hi, good morning. I'm vlogging today because why not? As you can see, I cut my hair. I said I cut. I am myself. Well, I don't know what I was thinking. What is this? I'm clearly not a hairdresser. Oh, this sound is gonna do my head in again. For fuck's sake, I need to sort that out. I ordered a new tripod. A cheap one, doesn't matter. It hasn't come yet. Why hasn't it come yet? I don't know. It's starting to stress me out. But we move on. It'll grow. It's fine. Doesn't look that bad, so I'm not that upset. We'll try not to do it again. Although I said that when I was 5 and I cut my French, I still have like this little hair in here. Because I did that, I literally took it and psh. But you probably are thinking, would you just shut up and start cooking? If that's the case, skip to whatever minute I put in the screen. Thank you, don't kill my mood. If not, well, hi! Welcome to my channel. I never did the intro, sorry. If you're new here, I do loads of cooking stuff. And I also kind of vlog. Sometimes, some days when I feel like it, when the weather's nice. Actually, it's not nice, it was raining all night. When I feel like it, I'm gonna make yeast cookies. At least that's what I'm thinking. If I end up doing something else, then this title will be different. But you already know that. You're in the future. Let's go to the kitchen. I hope my arm aches. I know what you're thinking. Her hair is dry. She's wearing different clothes. It's the next day. Ha ha ha. We are in the kitchen, but it's the next day. Because yesterday I didn't realize I had classes earlier than what I thought. So it was kind of a run fast run situation. And then it just got nuts. It wasn't really like busy crazy day. So good morning. I changed my mind. I don't remember what I said I was gonna do yesterday. I am in the mood for CHOCAPIC. If you don't know what that is, I'll send pictures. It's a cereal that is basically a chocolate cereal that is, for me, the best one ever. And I found the recipe on Nestle's page, so I'm gonna make my own. And obviously, I'm gonna make it healthalizes. Make it sugar-free and like water-free or free or whatever, because that's what we do. So here's what you need. Sugar-free syrup, some sort of flour. I'm using a mix of carob powder and cocoa powder because if you don't know, carob powder tastes like cocoa mixed with caramel, but is way lower on calories. Vegan protein powder, that I'm using this one, that is cookie dough flavor, and yogurt. And I'm gonna use yeast instead of, or actually, no, you know what? I'm not gonna use yeast. I'm gonna use baking soda, that is what the recipe calls for. I was gonna be like intriguing and kind of like use yeast, but no, never mind. Vanilla and the cornstarch. Where's the cornstarch? Let's start this. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah. Let's get it started. So, 70 grams of flour. I'm using protein powder. Oops. Instead of 70, they're gonna be 50 and 20 of protein powder. Because I'm running out of this protein powder. 70 grams. I'm cold. It's 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Come on. We're gonna need 3 of cocoa. I'm gonna use the carob powder because I'm hot and I'm cold. I'm just cold. Oh, do I get copyright just because of that? 1, 2 of cocoa, and then the third one is gonna be the carob. 3. 0.5 1.25 teaspoons baking soda. Why don't you just put a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda? I don't understand this, people. How much is... I it. Just I it. Did I just put... I put baking powder instead of baking soda. Oh fuck. 50 milliliters of water. And I had it here. Right, so because it says 1 tablespoon of the sugar-free syrup, and I'm using a liquid, well, it says 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm using sugar-free syrup, which is liquid. So what I'm gonna do is put 40 milliliters of water, and then 20 of the sugar-free syrup. Oh, but first let's mix dry ingredients. Mix the dry ingredients. Doesn't it have more dry ingredients? Oh, the pinch of salt. Half a teaspoon yogurt. I love this yogurt. There we go. Pinch of salt already. That's it. That's so easy. I forgot how to put it in my oven. I wanna mix it. Oh. This looks too dry. That is not good. I kinda wanna eat. Oh, the vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla. Now we have to dough it. So I was able to like mix it until this consistency without the hands, but now I need to use my hand because I can't incorporate it without it now. I'm gonna mix it up. I wonder how much cereal is gonna come out of this. I do feel like it's a bit dry. Maybe the 50 milliliters were needed. More of sugar-free syrup. Don't mind me. That actually was pretty easy. Right, so we have our dough. Now we roll. Way down we go. And do you remember I don't have a rolling pin? So today's rolling pin is a bottle of barbecue sauce. Oh my lord, maybe I did that too much water. This is gonna stick. Don't you dare open in my barbecue sauce in my CHOCAPIC. Absolutely not happening. Is it opening? No, I'm not risking it. To change the sponsor for this bottle of sugar-free syrup, we need to roll it as thinly as possible because it's cereal. Like, we don't want like massive cereals. I mean, I wouldn't mind. I do want it to look like the real thing, so... If afterwards I'm not able to take it out of the surface, I forgot the name, I'm gonna be laughing so much. Oh, by the way, this mask is not a mask, it's just like, Ari is now into a raw food diet. Did we tell you that? I think we told you in the last video. So this is kind of like her station for food because she uses a lot the blender. I did it as thinly as I could have. It doesn't look that smooth because my bloody baking powder had little chunks and I didn't realize before. Now we just have to cut it into little petals. I'm gonna cut lines and join the parts. This is what I meant, like rhombus, diamonds. You see? Try to shape it into a little pillow. Not pillow, but like boat thingy, leaf. You know what I mean? Like this. Okay, so I was giving up on making the leaves because, as you can tell, it's harder than what it looks. I think that the diamond shape wasn't the best idea, so I was gonna make more Nesquik than anything. But then I realized that I could do these little thingies that basically you take the point and roll to the inside, and it makes these little rolls that are kind of cute, and I think I'm gonna make loads of those. Right, so I'm done. Like, these are the little rolls. These are the intent of CHOCAPIC. These are the Nesquik ones. This is when I kept trying to do the little rolls, and then I gave up, and I was done with it, and I just transferred the rest of diamonds as they were. Now we have to bake them for 20 minutes at 160. That's in the oven. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have a little bit of fruit with yogurt, and because I'm starving, and that took ages. But I just wanted to show you. Yesterday I bought this fruit that is called quince. Is it called quince? Quince. That looks like an apple that is really yellow, and basically it tastes like a dry apple. Don't know why I'm showing you. I just thought it was interesting. Right, they're done! Oh! They also put like a coating in the recipe, so I'm gonna try to do that. It's basically, I'm not gonna show you because it's just like mixing basically 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder with, I'm gonna put the sugar-free syrup, vanilla. I would put cinnamon, but I don't have cinnamon either. I don't know why. Also, the supermarket decided that they're not gonna bring cinnamon, so now I have to like go on to an excursion, like trying to find cinnamon because I need it in my life. But I haven't done that yet, so there's that. If you want to coat them, use 4 teaspoons of sugar. They put. I'm gonna use the sugar-free syrup. Half a teaspoon of cocoa powder, vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of boiling water. That's it. Okay, I coat them. Now we need to wait until the coating sets, which will be, I will leave it for a couple, well, not a couple, but like for an hour. Not gonna lie, I couldn't wait. So I want to try it now. I just, I put it on a bowl. It's not later in the day. I just want to try it. So here we go. I mean, doesn't taste exactly like CHOCAPIC does, but it's just so good. It's chocolate, pure chocolate. I just love it.
1, 2, 3, funky.
That's it for this video. Hope you try it because this one's a winner. Thank you for watching. See you later.